Hello and welcome. We look at the graphs of the function absolute value. The general shape of this graph, here are some examples. We start with the parent function absolute value of x. This is the graph of absolute value of x. As you can see, it's a V shape, as you can see. This point is the vertex for this function. Here's another function, absolute value of x minus 1. It's also a V shape, but the vertex has changed, has moved to x equal 1. X plus 3 absolute value also is a V shape. The vertex has moved to the left to negative 3 for the x. This is another absolute value function, and the graph is also a V shape. The only thing that moved is the vertex. This is minus absolute value of x. It's a V shape but flipped over, facing down. And negative absolute value of x minus 3, it's another V shape flipped over. This is another absolute value of x with the plus 2 outside the absolute value. It's a V shape facing down, shifted up. So in general, it's a V shape. And you need to know where is the vertex, and you're done. Facing up or facing down. Let's start with our example. Y equals absolute value of x plus 2 minus 1. We start by solving x plus 2 equals 0, the expression inside the absolute value. To find the vertex, this helps you to find the vertex. The solution is x equals negative 2. Now, step 2, we trace table x and x plus 2, the expression inside the absolute value, and then y, the whole expression. Okay. Now, the first value we start with is the value the x equals negative 2 to get the vertex coordinates. Okay. We just calculate and we get our point. The point x negative 2 and y negative 1. This is your vertex. Now we get a value less than negative 2. I can take negative 3. You can choose any value less than negative 2 to get another point. You substitute and you get the value of y and you get your point. Negative 3 for x, 0 for y. Now we take another point with x more than negative 2. For example, I can take 0. You substitute and you get your point. 0 for x, 1 for y. Here we are. I have 3 points, enough to graph my function. Now I plot these points and I join them with 2 half lines and I get my graph. A V shape, remember. This is the vertex at negative 2 and negative 1. Okay. Now we plot the point with x equal negative 3 to y 0. And we plot the other point with x 0 and y equals 1. Now I join them, creating a V shape. Remember, that's your vertex. Okay, so a V shape from this vertex. Just join and you get your graph. As simple as this. Thank you very much and good luck.